Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money online in 2023.
In today's digital age, the internet has opened up many opportunities for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their own homes.
In this video, we will be discussing the top ways to make money online in 2023. Watch till the end to get a full understanding. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Number 2, online teaching or tutoring. Number 3, selling digital products. Number 4, dropshipping. Number 5, online surveys and market research. Number 6, freelancing. Number 7, passive income streams. These are the best way to make money online based on our research. You have to choose your best way of making money online according to your interest and understanding. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, you can sign up for an affiliate program with companies like Amazon or Commission Junction. From there, you can promote their products on your website, blog, or social media accounts.
Number 2, online teaching or tutoring.
If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching or tutoring others online. Platforms like Teachable, Coursera, or Udemy allow you to create and sell your own online courses.
You can also offer one-on-one tutoring services through websites like TutorMe or Wezant. Number 3, selling digital products.
In the digital age, selling digital products has become a popular way to make money online. This can include anything from ebooks, to printables, to stock photos, to online courses. You can sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Sellfy, or Gumroad. Number 4, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep any inventory and instead, you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. With dropshipping, you can create an online store and start selling products without having to handle any physical goods. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to get started with dropshipping. Number 5, online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for ways to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. By participating in online surveys and market research, you can earn money for providing your thoughts and feedback. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks pay you for completing surveys and other tasks. Number 6, freelancing. If you have a skill that can be done remotely, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer connect you with clients who are in need of your services. You can set your own rates and work from anywhere in the world. Number 7, passive income streams. Finally, one of the best ways to make money online is to create multiple passive income streams. This can include things like investing in stocks or real estate, creating an online course that earns you money while you sleep, or setting up an e-commerce store that runs on autopilot. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money online in 2023. We hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.